Just coming out of Pelham, New York, in the city. Now we're headed to Yonkers. We have to go down 95 to
up 95 to 287.
There's actually no traffic this morning. Going down to the cross Bronx to hit 87 to go north to Yonkers. Coming up 87 north. We made it through the hard part. Now we're just coming up to Yonkers. Dude, there's a freaking backhoe going up 87. When do you see this? Got to our second stop. They get the 4 stack of lumber, 3 stack of lumber, 4 stack of plywood. Celtic Building Supplies. He has to get turned around because we have to go into the other side of this building. Here's we unload, and this is what it looks like from the. Here's our next stop. Nyack Lumber. We're already out of there. Unloaded about 15 minutes. A little hole in the wall. Now we're headed to Nanuet. MC and another truck's here. This is Lowe's. Our 4th or 5th stop. We just had to drop those 3 pieces. So we unloaded by hand. We're out of here. So we just got a DOT level 3 inspection.
No, we didn't get
Pulled in, they just drove around.
right out here.
We are out of here. They're going to pull some more people in.
Oh yeah,
I missed it, guys. There's a cemetery on the side of the road.
Jake had a
Bunch of rock walls and
It's very
railroad. Bunch of cabins around a lake on upstate New York.
like a little village.
Look at the castle, dude. Ooh, we just keep going up and up. I think I had to delete the village out of the video.